Guys, this maternity photo shoot gown styles is just everything. I love the details on this gown. The off shoulder is just on point, guys. This gown rocked by Kiki. I love the details on the gown, the sleeve, the combination, the pink combination and the blue is just on point. It's just simple but elegant. Just sit down and watch this video to the end. And I also love the hairband. The combination is just on point. You are going to be seeing both Ankara and Letest styles. They are all beautiful 2021 edition. If today is the first time of visiting this channel or today is the first time of hearing my voice, you are most definitely welcome. In case you don't know, this channel is all about promoting our African clothes styles, showing you the beautiful styles you can design with both our Ankara, lace and other fabric. Just take your time and go through the channel. You are going to be seeing tons of videos that's going to inspire you when it comes to our African clothes style. So that being said, guys, I will be leaving you right now to enjoy this video to the end, but don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. It's free of charge. You are not paying for it. And also turn on your post notification bell icon, that will enable you to be notified whenever I upload future videos. I upload videos on this channel multiple times daily. I will be leaving you right now. See you on the next video. Bye for now.